Offbeat, check. Trekking, check. Canoeing, check. Adventure, check. Everything in a single day. What else can a person want on their anniversary?
Hello and welcome to Offbeat and Untold. Today, we bring to you the final episode of our Offbeat Meghalaya road trip. We are going to visit another unexplored and offbeat place in Meghalaya, Wari Chora. Located in South Garo Hills of Meghalaya, Wari Chora is a paradise, a hidden land, a place so exquisite that it had me completely speechless and out of adjectives. Located about 265 kilometers drive from Shillong is Emangre village, the place from where the adventure starts. You can also reach it directly from Guwahati. As for us, after exploring Siju, we headed towards Emangre village. By the time we reached our homestay, it was already dark. The next morning was all bright and sunny, and after breakfast, we started from our homestay. We just came to know that there is almost 15 kilometers off-roading to be done before reaching the point from where the trek starts. Sit tight, the off-roading begins. This drive is taking us through villages, farmlands and forests to finally reach the starting point of the trek. And now, the trekking starts. We started trekking deep into the forest. It was winters and the jungle was dry. I heard that during the monsoon, this forest is infested with leeches and you should carry salt with you. The last part of the trek was tough, with few tricky inclines and slopes, but there were ropes tied up for support. I have finally reached the mouth of Wari Chora. We started from the trekking point and we hiked down for about 45 minutes and it came to this beautiful place where the last part of the trek, the last 5 minutes is really tricky. You literally have to climb down, like it's almost 90-degree incline, but it's worth it. It's really worth it. Just look at the colors. This is really paradise. I'm officially speechless now. There's a legend that Wari Chora is protected by 7 serpents who live in the gorges and canyons of Wari Chora. The serpents do not harm the people visiting the place, but would wreak a havoc if one tries to harm the place. Wari means river in the local language. This place is magical. This is a different world altogether. And around 12:30 p.m. the rays of the sun fall in this gorges in the most beautiful way, and you can see a rainbow at the base of the waterfalls. What more can I say? I was happy, ecstatic, and nothing else mattered. We were really happy to spend our anniversary at this very beautiful place. So that was Wari Chora, my friends. Garo Hills in Meghalaya is full of unexplored and beautiful places. Why don't you come and explore these places in Meghalaya? If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts on travel in comments below. Please subscribe to our channel if you still haven't done so. We promise to be back with another travel video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.